Welcome, this video is going to focus on developing a set of elevations for the cabin design that we've been working on. So as opposed to a floor plan where the viewer is looking down on the building, elevations show what the building looks like from the front and side. So architectural elevations show all four sides of the building or that structure. And this provides the architect, client and construction team with key information about the building's exterior features. And this is going to include the height of the building, whereas the floor plan doesn't depict that. It's also going to tell us the height of the windows and doors and any other external features, things like decks and potentially foundations. Elevations would typically be accompanied with a site and floor plan, and this is to provide a clear and holistic view and detail of the structure and the overall site. We want to continue to work upon this architectural drawing template, and so we should have gone through and completed our floor plan at a scale of 1 to 50. Proceeding on to the next artboard, you're going to want to copy across that floor plan and change it to a scale of 1 to 100, and I'll do that in the next video. So the elevation is, well, the building needs to be positioned in the center of the artboard, and then we're producing the elevations surrounding that. So our viewer here is looking at the southern side of the building, and so that's producing this southern elevation where the doors identified and the height of the walls is now depicted, as the floor plan doesn't display this, along with this little skylight. Now the viewer has been positioned on the western side of the building, and that's been displaying the western elevation. So please watch the following two videos, which will take us through to the final design for our cabin design using this final template.